have pride and joy of Smokeless Chimney. These are boxes that are all working. This is using the keyboard, serial number 3. This is a test box I'm using to control fans. It's running a slightly different version of the software. This is test box number 4. It has a few problems. It always likes to reboot, so it's kind of on the shelf, not doing a lot. This is box number 6. Box number 5 is controlling my personal wood stove. It's running right now, so I couldn't take it offline. Box number 6 here has a battery. It is in PLA marble. It has a base, a back, a switch. It is running version 0.05. So this one is ready to go on a wood stove. This is serial number 7. Battery box, switch, functioning. All it needs a fan. Box number 6 has the PMS 5003, so it has PM1, PM 2.5, and PM 10. Box number 7 does not have the PMS 5003, so it says N not available. Box number 8 has batteries, turns on and off, works great. It also has a PMS 5003, so it is measuring smoke in near the wood stove. Box number 9. This has the latest version of the, let me see if I can get this in the center of the frame here. So the fan is here, and there's little notches for the feet to sit in. And my vision is this is how it will be packaged, or how it will be shipped, sitting on top of here. This is one way to install it. This is operating the fan. There's a puff of air coming out of here every once in a while. So as a prototype manufacturer, to have boxes that look roughly the same, I actually feel like I've got a production line going here. To have 4 boxes that are ready to go, they look like a production unit, the displays all work, they're all running slightly different versions of the software. Really quite pleased with this.
Smokeless Chimney, warm homes and clean air for everyone. www.smokelesschimney.com